Maybe somebody's watching us.
No, it's not set up. Hello? How are you?
I love lettuce. Me too. But that's cabbage.
Welcome to the Fruit and Vegetable Show.
La, la, la. You can plant the ground. Oh, the farm. The farm too. Outer space.
Tesco and Spar. Carrots.
Carrots.
Eat them.
And there's lettuce, there's carrot, potatoes. My favourite fruit is strawberries. My favourite fruit is oranges! A pineapple. I wish I could eat that in one piece. SpongeBob. China. But I know in Tenerife they grow it on the palm. Because I was in Tenerife. How about you say England or something? England? Sing. Everybody wants to be my girl. Everybody wants to be my girl. Everybody wanna take her heart away. One Direction. Strawberries. Frankie Valli. Michael Jackson. I prefer oranges. Broccoli and tomatoes. I love apples because they're nice and juicy. And I hope you be so strong and beautiful. I hope you be strong and beautiful.